This video is brought to you by Giraffe Tools. Hey guys, Jefferson here, and this is Giraffe Tools Grandstorm wall-mounted vacuum. This is my second Giraffe Tools product, which looks really good right next to my Giraffe Tools Grand Falls pressure washer. Let's do a quick unboxing to show you what comes included with this vacuum. The first thing I saw was the user manual, wall-mounted template, which made installation extremely easy, accessory attachments, and I'll show you them afterwards, a liquid filter, and the actual Grand Falls Storm vacuum. There's several more accessories which are located in the dustbin. We'll take a look at that later. Here's a closer look at the accessories. 2 extension tubes which can be used individually or combined, accessory mounts, a small bristle hose, hook attachments, screws, wall anchors, which of course I use toggle bolts instead of using these wall anchors, a muffler with a mesh filter. You can remove it to either clean or replace it. The front looks really simple and clean. You have a power button to turn on or off the vacuum. If you have the remote version built into the handle, you won't really be using this. The hose reel also comes with a guiding rail, which makes a real difference aligning the hose. This is where you install the muffler. This vacuum is better than my rigid bucket vacuum and significantly quieter. And when you install the muffler, it makes it even more quiet while filtering the air that's being exhausted into your area. This is how the back looks, and this is where you install the wall brackets. Open the 2 clips on the side of the vacuum to release the dustbin. Real quick, the dustbin has an amazing feature that prevents it from falling once you unlatch the 2 clips. This locking mechanism secures it in place even after unlatching the clips, and the whole thing comes off. It's really simple, and after doing it a few times, you'll get it. There's several more accessories inside the dustbin, so let's go over them real quick. Inside, you'll find the accessory mounting bracket, a moldable crevice tool, the handle, and I did get the powered remote option, which I highly recommend getting. This will spoil you in ways you never realized you needed. Trust me, it's worth spending more for. A small crevice tool, a wet vacuum head, a rolling vacuum head with an optional bristle drop down, a medium bristle attachment, and the rest are just brackets to mount all your attachments to. Assembling the accessory bracket is really simple. Let me show you how the mounting brackets will work before installing them onto the wall. It just hooks in like this, and that's it. You'll have a strong and secure hold. You install this mount on the side to hold your vacuum head, which looks cleaner than just letting it dangle. Let's find a place to mount this. Use the template to mark the holes. Drill the holes. Secure the bracket in place. Repeat the steps for the other bracket. And yes, it's that simple. Mounting the accessory holder is even more simple since it's a lot lighter. Let's assemble the handle and remove the tag for the battery so we can use the power remote feature, and we're all set. This honestly looks really good on the wall, and considering the size, it doesn't look enormous on the wall, especially when you compare it with my pressure washer and air hose reel. The suction honestly blew me away, no pun intended. I couldn't believe how well it was able to pick up drywall dust, and if you don't know, the dust particles are really small, and most vacuums, including my Dyson V7, sometimes struggles getting all of it up. This picked it up like it was nothing. The 30 feet is more than enough to vacuum anywhere in my garage, and it can easily reach my car in my driveway. Not having to worry about cords, extension cables, and lugging around the actual vacuum is a real game changer. Having this makes cleaning a lot easier, and honestly, it helps promote cleanliness since it's extremely convenient. If you want a simple, clutter-free life where it not only works, but it looks really good, this is what you want. This is what you need. Giraffe Tools Grandstorm wall-mounted vacuum. That's all I have. And like always, have a beautiful day.